Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on plsql, that is programming language. And we are going to do hands-on checking whether the number is even or odd. So before going for that, we have to write a program for that, and then we have to execute. So it is similar to like any of the programming language, but there will be slight difference in the syntax. So first we have to understand how to write a program, then we can execute that. So first here we have set the server output on. So if you didn't mention this like a declaration, like if you have used any programming language like C, there will be an hash include similar to that. Then this is a declaration section where we will declare a variable. See, here I am declaring a variable num. So this is the variable that I am declaring, and this is a data type of that number. And then if there is an input number which accepts the input, like we say scanf in C language. So accept is input from the user. So that we have to give this just an explanation of that whatever we have written here. So num is the variable which is of type number. That means it accepts only integer. Then instead of start we have a begin, and there is a condition like if in the same any of the programming language mod num comma 2. That means when you divide a number by 2, so mod is a function that returns the remainder. If I divide a number by 2 and if remainder is equal to 0, then so it will just print dbms output line just prints the number, and whatever the number that I have entered is even. So if I divide a number by 2 and the remainder is 0, it will return and print it as an even number. Otherwise, if I get a remainder other than 0, then it will print it as a odd number. So this output line and output line is a built-in function just to print on the screen that number whatever we want to display. So it is in if, and end how we will do end is end if, and begin. So I am just ending the program, and there is a slash for that, so that it indicates that it is an end of the line. So same program we are going to do it in the SQL. Let us see how to do that. So now what you have to do is just come to SQL run command. Okay. After this, when it opens, so just here I am printing connect. So type connect, then type the username. So I am logging in my ID. Okay, whichever the ID I want, I can use that. And this password, so type the password. So it is connected. So now I have to write the program. For that I have to type the command ed, name of the program. So I am giving it as pr1.sql. So you can keep any name for this prog1 or anything. So then put a semicolon, then press enter. So I'm just creating. So this file will open. Now whatever the code that we have to write, it should write here. Okay. That code whatever I have shown, I have written here. So when you write is see the spacing, align properly. Okay, equal to 0, then space, then this, okay, slash. Okay, now done. Now what you have to do is press Ctrl S, or you click on save. So name of the program you have to remember, that is pr1.sql. So now what I have to do is I have to close this. Okay, this word I am closing, and here I have to run this. For run, I'll just click on. So just click here, add. So name of the program is pr1.sql. Then this, enter. So now there are no errors in this program. Okay, there is no error in this program. Directly it is asking me to enter a value for the input. So now I'll enter the number of my charge. This is the input. So I'll just enter 66. So click on enter. So now the number, the 66 whatever we have entered, it should show it is a number. So now here there is an error that is listed. Say number. So I have not given a space. So again I have to go there, right? So now it is showing me some errors here. So how to correct it? Same thing, ed space pr1 dot sql. So it will take me, and where was this? Here there is no space, so I'll just create a space for that. So I'll check. So this is not a problem, because whatever that we have entered in this single code, it prints that it is even or odd. If you want a space, you can give a space and arrange it properly. So now once you have cleared it, save the file again, close it. After closing, again come back and execute at pr1.sql. So now again I'll enter the number. Yes, successfully completed. The number is even number. So now we got the output. Again, if you want to execute, so now I'll check with the odd number. So at pr1.sql semicolon. So enter the value. So now I will enter like 35. So it is an odd number. So it is showing it as a odd number. So this is how we have to execute a plsql. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment.